Class 3, Lecture 5, Topic Preposition. Good morning, students. Let's dig into writing. But before that, don't forget to draw margin lines on both sides of your page. Write day, your subject, and date. After that, write preposition with capital letters. Then write its explanation or definition. A word which shows relation between two nouns is called preposition. Make bullets for it because we have two explanations or definitions. Number 2 is it is a word which stands for a noun. Look at its exercise. In its exercise, it is said that pick out all the prepositions in the sentences given below. Look at A. The carpet under the table was old. Keep in mind the definition, as we said that it shows the relation between two nouns. So carpet here is a noun and table here is a noun. In between we have prepositions which joins two nouns together and shows some relation in between both the nouns. Now look at B. The river under the bridge is flowing very swiftly. In this sentence, under is, in first one we have under and second one we also have under. So you have to do what? You have to circle this preposition and write P on the top of it. I have drawn heart shape out of it, so it is up to you which shape you like the most, so you can draw it there. C is the fence round the house fell down. In this sentence we have two prepositions, round and fell down. So make a heart shape out of both the prepositions. D is the cat fell into the puddle. Into is preposition here, so make any shape out of it. E, and the last one is flying the aeroplane past the town was not easy. So make heart out of past and write P on the top, which means that it is preposition. Dear students, you have to do what? First you have to write it in your neat work notebooks, and then you have practice it in your rough work notebooks. You can make examples of your own and then be your teachers and check it and give yourself some grades or marks. It would be fun, and you can share it on our channel in comment section, so it will let us know to whether you like it or don't like it, or if you have any questions or queries related to all the topics, so we will answer it. Thank you, students.